Hey guys, what's up everyone? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to grow your eyebrow plus your eyelashes using some very simple natural homemade remedy, and how to get a thicker eyebrow and a darker eyebrow. Get this fuller eyelashes. Okay, this is actually a remedy that works so well. All right, so if you're actually looking forward to getting a fuller and a thicker eyebrow, you are at the right video. Okay guys, so the very first ingredient we are going to be making use of is this, and this is aloe vera. Okay, so you have to get a natural pure aloe vera, and then what I'm doing now is that I'm just scooping out the aloe vera or pressing out the aloe vera. Well, I don't need too much of that since I'm basically using it on my eyebrow and my lashes. So the very next ingredient, which is very important and required, is this, and this is petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline. Okay, so using this would actually help so much to, grow your eyebrow and then extend your eyelashes. Okay, mixing it alongside with aloe vera is gonna make it a bomb. So after that, then I'm gonna take time to mix these two ingredients together first of all. Okay, we're only using 3 ingredients here, so do not worry. All of the ingredients that I'm using for today are actually something that you can find, and they're actually not difficult to find at all. So the very next ingredient is vitamin E oil. Now you can also use vitamin E capsule, that's if you don't have vitamin E oil. Okay, because vitamin E oil is a remedy that helps to keep your hair in place, and it helps to increase your hair and make your hair thick and strong. So we're gonna be putting some drop of vitamin E oil into this aloe vera and Vaseline mix. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be pressing in a good quantity of my vitamin E oil. And now we'll have to mix this and mix it really good. So this is how it's going to be like. Yeah, this is how it's going to be like. It's going to be cream like. Okay, that's when you know that it is properly mixed, and my eyebrow and eyelashes growth remedy is set and is ready. So this is the ingredients that we just finished making, and you have to keep this ingredient. It's just like a cream, it's just like a lotion, literally. So what you do, if you notice my eyebrow is actually like darker than before, what you do is that you take this, just a little quantity, and then you would apply it. What I meant to say, my eyebrow is fuller, not darker, because my hair is actually not a dark hair. I have color 4 hair. My hair is color 4, so my eyebrow is fuller. Okay, so you would have to rub it, and when you rub it, what you do, you have to do it this way now, so that the cream could get into your follicles on your eyebrow area. By so doing, the cream is gonna work really fine to grow your eyebrow. Yeah, just like this, just like this. Okay guys, so for your eyelashes, what you do, it does not necessarily mean that the cream would touch your eyelashes on the side, but when it touches the base, you know, it is fine. So what you do is just close your eyes and then you apply this like this. Just do it this way and you're good. It touches your eyelid and your eye base. Just like this. Now, it is actually preferably you do this particular treatment every night so that you just sleep, and it's going to do two things for you. It's going to help you in your, you know, under eye area, and it's also going to help you on your eyebrow and eyelashes, literally help you so much to grow it. Okay guys, so for this particular ingredient, it is an everyday ingredient. You can even do it morning and night, but preferably you can actually do this in the night so that you would sleep with it and wake up with a grown eyebrow, with a long eyelashes. Okay, so that's it, and you can store it without putting it inside the fridge. Just store it in an airtight container, keep it on your shelf, and it's perfect. Just apply it every day and it does the job for you. Okay guys, so that's it. You don't need to clean this out. It stays on your skin, and all of the ingredients in here, they are healthy for your skin and you're good. Okay, so if you do love this video, please thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.